Hey everybody, it's me here, and today we're going to do this subtle, simple, pink halo eye, but this pink nude lipstick makes it look more pink than it actually is. But I really like how this turned out. I didn't think it would turn out like this. I just love pink, so like, I was like, let's just do pink or plum or whatever you want to call it. But it's very simple. I decided to do a halo eye, but not like a hardcore dramatic halo eye, because to be honest, I'm not really a big, like, how do I say this? I love halo eyes, but I'm not really good at them. That's the thing. I'm not really good at halo eyes, but I still do them. I try to make it work, but I'm not like an expert at it. But this one has to be probably my favorite halo eye that I have ever done because it's pink. Your girl loves pink, first of all. Yeah, so if you have trouble with halo eyes, this is the way to go. I'm pretty sure I took 3 colors on my eyes today, because the crease, the outer and the inner corner, and then the lid color. Yeah, I took 3 colors on my eyes. I'm pretty sure. I could be totally wrong. But very simple if you don't know how to do a halo. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get a simple halo look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I did this eye off camera real quick just so I see if it looks good, because I just wanted to do a halo eye, and I'm not really good at halo eyes. If you have trouble with halo eyes, this is a really easy halo eye because it's not taking a lot of products or a lot of shadows at all. I am going to put lashes on, but I'll do that when I'm done with this eye. But yeah, so let's just get into this video. The first palette I took is this Tartiest Pro palette. This color right here, and it's called Chick. I think that's how you pronounce it, Saucony. I could be totally wrong. But I'm going to take this Saucony blending brush. It's really good to really get into that crease, especially if you have a lot of room on your lid and just like your whole eye space in general, which I have a somewhat of a nice space on my eye, so this is really good to really get in there. But I just took that color, the Chick color from the Tarte palette, and I kept it into the crease. Now this is not going to give you like a full like pink eye, like it's just like a transition for us, and it's not, I don't want it to be like the main color, so I'm really gonna apply a little bit, and I'm really just gonna keep it in the crease. I'll blend it, but I don't want it to go up to the brow bone like I usually do with looks like this. Just normally, not even like looks like halos, I just normally just bring up the shadow. But I'm going to try not to do that with this look. And then I'm going to take this Profusion's eye palette in Natural. And I'm going to take this color that's right here. It's just like this plummy color. Now some of these colors are not that pigmented. And this color is not pigmented at all. I mean, it's pigmented, but once you blend it away, like when you blend, it just goes away. And it's annoying, but just keep packing it on, and you'll get a full pigment. But I'm gonna take this Urban Decay brush. Has 2 brushes on each side, and this came with the Alice in Wonderland palette. And I'm gonna take that color and put it on the outer part of the eye and the inner part of the eye. And it's okay if you get a little bit on the lid, because we're going to be covering that with a shimmer shadow later. And then I'm going to take this brush right here that I'm using right now, which is like, I have a story with this brush. I think I told it before, but me and my mom were shopping in Joann's, and she makes cakes, so she needed to get some fondant and stuff like that. So, I was looking through the aisles or whatever, just like looking or whatever, and I saw this brush with something else, like a big kabuki brush, but it was for cakes. Like this brush is for cakes, but I use it for blending out my eyeshadows because it's really, really good. And it was $7 for 2 brushes, which is pretty good. This is one of my favorite brushes, to be honest, because it's just so good. It blends products so well, like, girl, like. Now I'm going to take the Alice in Wonderland palette, and I'm going to grab this color right here, which is called Royal Flush. And I'm just going to take that on a little brush, a flat brush, and I'm going to spray the flat brush with water. And I'm going to grab that color and put it right in the center and blend it out with my finger. I'm just going to go back and forth, like apply it with my finger, apply it with the brush, blend it with the brush, and just stuff like that. So just like that. You could apply more of that color. I just don't, since this is like a subtle halo eye and easy for people that don't know how to do halo eyes. I don't want it to be too dramatic or anything like that. So then I'm going to apply mascara, which I'm going to be using the Ulta Volume Mascara in Jet Black. And by the way, I totally forgot, I do have tape on just so the shadow doesn't go out. It just stays in the crease and it doesn't like flare out like a cut crease would do. Then I just do a thin line. I did it on this eye already. It's very thin. With this M Cosmetics eyeliner brush tip. The lashes that I'm going to be taking, I'm so excited. They're new. I wore them once, and they're really pretty. They're really, really pretty. And I just want to wear them again today. And yeah, these are the FauxMink lashes by Ardell in 811. And let me get my tweezers so you guys can see them. They're really, really pretty. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but it's just like, it's like flares out on the outer part of the eye, so it's very small on the inner part, and it just flares out, and it looks like you did a wing, but without like you having a wing, you know what I mean? And then I'm gonna do my face makeup off camera. I actually have a video showing you guys what kind of products I use. It's just like my go-to makeup look that I usually go for if I'm not going for like a smoky blown out eye. So yeah, go check that out. It's the last video. I'll try to link it down below in the info box, but I've never done it before, so I'm gonna try to do it because I want to start doing that. Yeah, so let me go do that real quick and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so I just straightened my hair. I didn't straighten it a lot because I'm trying to not really touch it a lot because like this morning when I got out of the shower, not when I got out, but when I was in the shower, just so much hair, like just by breakage and stuff, like hot ironing it and putting it up so much, there was just so much breakage that like so much hair was in my hand. It was disgusting, so I'm trying not to really touch it. I'm just really giving it a lot of treatment, like breathe, like I want it to breathe, and also I'm putting some stuff into my hair just so it's very healthy and stuff like that. And I also think that has something to do with working out a lot. Someone that I watch on YouTube and follow on Instagram and Snapchat and stuff, she's been working out like hardcore, not hardcore, but she lost a lot of weight, and she says every single time that she takes a shower that there's so much hair coming out of her, like coming from her head, like it's just a ball of hair. And this morning it was almost close to a ball of hair. Like it was just so disgusting. Naturally, my hair comes out, just like here and there, like just like maybe 2 strands of hair or 3 or something before when I was working out. But now that I'm working out, there's so much hair coming from my head, and I'm like, oh my god, my hair is just going down the drain. I don't know, like I'm just like, I worked so hard to grow it, and I cut it for a reason because I wanted to grow it, and I just whatever, okay, let's just get back into this video, okay? But yeah, so I did my makeup. I did like a pinky highlighter, a very pinky blush. I just really try to blend everything together with the eyes. Just really pinky everything, like a plum kind of color. Not really pinky, but plum. But now we're going to do the lower lash line, and what we're going to be going in first is the Tartiest Pro Palette, the first color that we took in there. And that one's called Chick. If you don't remember, it's like a warm color with a pinky undertone kind of. I'm going to run it all under there. Now, I don't know if I want to do a halo kind of eye down here too or not. I'm still kind of debating on it. I might just do like the smallest bit on the lower lash line because I don't know, I'm just not in the mood. I'm just not in the mood for a hardcore lower lash line. That's me sometimes not really wanting a hardcore lower lash line. That's just for me personally. Most of the time I feel like that. Because I feel like, why spend so much time on the bottom lash line when you look good anyway? You know what I mean? But I'm going to try to do a little bit. But I'm not going to be doing like a smokiness down here. So, yeah. Now I'm going to grab the Profusion's eye palette, that color that we took, which is called Lilac. And it's the color that we put on the inner corner and outer part of our eye. I'm just going to put that all under there also. I don't really want to do a lot, and I don't want to do like a smoky eye or anything like that. I just really want everything to be soft and simple. Now I'm going to take, oh, that brush, by the way, that brush is what I took to take those colors on the bottom lash line. This is the IBI Beauty crease brush, which I don't understand how you would use this for a crease. I mean, to define the crease with like a black or something, I don't know, but I use this for my lower lash line a lot. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to take the same exact color that I put on my lid. So I'm going to take this Morphe little brush here. My grandpa got me a full set of Morphe brushes for Christmas or my birthday. One of those two. I don't remember. But, yeah, I don't remember. But, yeah, so I'm just going to take this little small brush. I don't remember the pack. Like what it's called, but I'll try to find it and maybe like put it down below description of what the whole pack is called. But this is just like a little small flat brush, and I'm just gonna take the color that we put on the lid and put it in the inner corner of my eye, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of powder under my eyes, just a little bit. I'm gonna put the same mascara that I put on my top lashes on the bottom lashes down here, which is the Ulta Volume Mascara in Jet Black, I believe. Yeah, Jet Black. And then I'm just going to let like the powder just sit there for a little bit and let the lashes dry, the bottom lashes. And then I'm going to take, for my lippy, I really want to use this. I haven't used this in a hot minute, and it's one of my favorite like lipsticks. The formula is just so good. I got it for Christmas, and this is the Ulta Beauty little lipstick thing, and it's in Blossem. And now it comes, it's like a 5-pack. It's like a little gift for Christmas, and I got it, and the formula on these are just so good. I haven't tried all of them yet because I just haven't created the looks that matches like those lippy colors, you know. So this is just this one especially, and there's another one called Honey, I believe, and it's just so good. Oh my god, it's just so creamy, and it's not drying for your lips or anything, and it's just so good. Now you totally could go in with a different lippy. I just love the color pink, and I'm kind of digging this, you know, like the pink plummy eye. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go in with this pinky lippy. You can do a nude. I think that would really suit it very well. I might change it later. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this kind of it's very simple. I took like how many shades for my eye? Like 3. It's very simple. If you don't know how to do a halo eye, you could do this because it's not as dramatic. You could use different kind of colors. You don't have to use the same exact products that I used today. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys. And if you're new, subscribe. Don't think I forgot about that. Subscribe if you're new. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next video.